Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we have a very special guest over here.
Hello.
And today we are gonna be doing something really fun. If you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, you would know that I'm a huge fan of coffee. And Zarak over here is also the coffee master. He knows a lot about coffee. And you guys know I'm like obsessed with Starbucks. So today he is gonna be making my favorite Starbucks flavor. And he says that after I try his coffee, I won't miss Starbucks anymore. So this is basically like a challenge and I'm really excited. So let's get into the video.
Awesome. I'm gonna go with this one first because this is a more chocolatey and balanced Colombian coffee. Let's dive into it.
He has all these fancy things which I have no idea about. I literally take my instant coffee and put boiling water and that's it.
Trust me, it makes all the difference.
I'm sure it does.
We're going to use the AeroPress for this because that's going to give you a bit of a stronger flavor. I'll explain what that is later.
Yeah, I have all the terms he's using.
I'm sorry.
Wow.
Yeah. So what we're going to do is pre-wet the filter for the AeroPress. If you don't pre-wet it, you're basically going to get like a very papery taste in your coffee.
Okay. So much knowledge! Guys, we literally have chopsticks here. Like, I have no idea what these things are. I just know a kettle.
So we're going to pre-wet the filter. We've done that.
I'm so fascinated, by the way.
It's a long process, I'm sorry. So now we can finally get to the brewing.
Okay.
So, using 15 grams of coffee. I just spilled a considerable amount, which is not good. Almost there. And we're good, yeah. Now we're going to agitate.
The smell, guys, I wish you could smell this. It smells...
It's beautiful. And we're gonna go ahead and decant the brew. Hey, so this is a bit of a tricky thing. You have to be very careful.
Wow.
And there you go. That's it. Press it down.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a nice color to it.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm talking about the coffee.
But you're making it for me. Guys, taste test time. So we have our coffee here.
Okay, I understand if it's bitter. That's fine.
It is quite bitter.
There's gonna be okay.
Because all the coffees are supposed to be bitter. Like,
basically, yeah, somewhat.
'cause that's-
They have different varying levels
Yeah.
depending on. Okay.
I like it, but
Okay.
it's just a little
It's not-
more bitter
okay.
than my regular. Like, my taste buds are not accepting it.
Right.
But
So I
like
guess
it.
we'll go ahead and use almond milk.
Now we have added almond milk to this coffee. I'm scared. Why
No,
don't you?
it's. Oh, okay.
yeah.
You want me to stir it?
Yeah.
All right.
Goodness.
There you go.
This is so funny.
Please like it.
Wait. It's still bitter.
Oh no! Okay, wait.
No.
I'm gonna try it myself.
Okay.
I want to see what this is about.
But
Because
I
I've tried
like
it before.
I actually like it. I'm not. No.
Hey, you don't have to
honestly,
let me know.
No, I'm not.
No, yeah, it's not bitter. It's like pretty balanced. It's like,
Maybe my buds are not used to it.
Kevin, did you think it was bitter? Yeah. Kevin, what the hell, dude?
I'm not gonna lie. Like,
Okay.
I swear I like it.
Was it better than what you expected? Would you say, or were you expecting something else completely?
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. No, I want you to be as honest
No,
as possible.
like I thought it's gonna be better than Starbucks.
Okay.
But I still
Gotcha.
like, I don't know. I mean, it's okay.
That's fine. That's okay.
Yeah.
Hey, different strokes for different folks,
I guess.
as my grandpa used to say. He never said that.
We're done with this one.
Yeah.
I kind of liked it, but not so much. Like, it was okay. It was
Fair enough.
okay.
That's
but
okay.
Now we're gonna move on to the next one.
This will change Manal's mind. This is a Colombian washed geisha. Let's brew this up and see how Manal likes this. This isn't gonna be with milk, by the way, so hopefully that's fine.
Okay, that's fine.
That's okay.
Fine. Honestly, this without milk was better.
Really? Okay.
Milk kind of ruined its taste.
I think if you try this with like oat milk
Or coconut milk.
or coconut milk,
Or
right?
even dairy milk, because dairy milk just makes everything better.
That's true. It really does, honestly.
Like, I love cow's milk the most, but
I love
don't.
cows.
Yay!
I'm so sorry. It doesn't get better than cow's milk,
Yeah,
but
that's true.
obviously if you're lactose intolerant, that kind of sucks.
I'm not lactose intolerant, but I'm just
It's also not great for
yeah, hormones and stuff.
Whatnot.
Girls can relate.
Gang.
I keep doing these signs, guys. I'm sorry.
Hey, that's fine. You need something to keep your hands occupied. So we're gonna go ahead, grind these. By the way, have you tried nitro before?
No.
No?
I told you, Starbucks.
That's it.
Or before Starbucks, I was into Tim Hortons. Before Tim Hortons, I was into Nescafe 3-in-1.
Hey, dude, that's totally fine. You transition.
Exactly.
Kind of takes time.
But 3-in-1 was my vibe. Like, I used to live in it.
No way.
Literally. All my life, I've been having milk. A lot of milk. So, guys, if you can't hear me, I am sorry. I talk very slow. Okay.
And we're good. Yes. It's just gonna drip. That's not good. Wait, I think I'll just put it
Okay.
like this.
Wow.
There you go. Aha.
Okay.
So you wanna go ahead and smell this? Careful.
This actually smells really good, by the way, yeah.
Awesome. It's good.
Look at the color though. It's so pretty.
It's beautiful,
I
yeah.
love the color.
It's like this reddish kind of.
Yeah.
I keep sweating.
बहुत गर्म है.
It's not that hot.
By the way, after I had like a sip of this one, my eyes just. This is the moment of truth. Wait. Once more, because.
Just like slurp it like.
Yeah. No, I don't slurp it. I hate doing that.
It's fine. I don't do that.
Okay, that's good. Guys, I actually really like this coffee.
Do you think it's bitter at all?
No, I really
Wait,
like
I'm gonna
it.
try this because I haven't had this one yet.
This is really good. And I could have this black. By the way, I can't have black coffee easily.
Yeah,
Like,
I can
need
understand.
to add milk or sweetener and something.
Right.
But this one is
It's pretty decent. Yeah. It's
pretty
not bad.
decent. No,
Not
it's
bad.
pretty good.
I've had better geisha coffee. I'm sorry. But this is still pretty good.
It's like my first ever geisha coffee, so
Yeah.
I really like it. Thumbs up. My final verdict, okay? We had two coffees, and first one was not my type, honestly. It was too bitter, and especially with almond milk, it just wasn't my thing at all. However, the second one, which was this one, the geisha coffee, I really, really liked it, and I could have it black without milk. So, this one is my thing. Why are you going?
No, I'm not gonna. I'm just pouring myself coffee.
Okay. Alright guys, so this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed my experience with the new coffees that I've never tried before. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And please go check him out. I've put his channel's link in my description box below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. So until next time, bye!
Peace.